I have to apologize because I just posted a video this morning and I had missed these two time lapses that we took. This was Natalie holding the camera as I was sheeting the west side of the house. The way when she takes pictures with her camera versus my camera, it files them differently. So sometimes we kind of miss a video here and there, but we're trying to get this one caught up since it actually shows me doing some work and not just talking. I know it can get a little boring just watching me sit there and talk, and seeing someone actually doing the work is a bit more exciting. But as you can see, it was pretty windy that day and it was blowing me around quite a bit, so doing that probably wasn't the smartest thing to do up there, 35 feet up in the air trying to hammer on sheeting and everything. But it went okay. We got it up pretty good and then moved on to the roof shortly after. So here what I'm doing is snapping a chalk line along the angle of the roof and then going to cut it off here in a moment. So it's a lot easier to put your board or your sheeting up there and then cut it in place versus trying to cut it on the ground and then hope that you measured it correctly when you put it up. With this method, you're ensured that you're going to have a correct cut every time. Get all the way up to the top and carry a sheet. Of course, I couldn't carry it and raise myself up at the same time, so I used ratchet straps to hold the sheet in place. And if you look on the bottom of the lift, I'd actually bolted in a couple pieces of wood to create a lip that I could hold the sheeting on as I was lifting it up. Went pretty good. Of course, the wind blew around quite a bit, but a lot easier doing it this way than trying to do it with a ladder.